What's up guys, welcome to Recipe Magic. Let's make easy honey garlic chicken and rice. This is an under 500 calorie meal, easy to meal prep. You can even make it for the weeknight dinner when you're lazy and tired and want to get something cooking really fast. So without further ado, let's get started with the recipe.
So start by taking about 500 grams of lean chicken breast cut into bite-sized chunks. Season it with salt and pepper, paprika, some soy sauce. Next goes in some sriracha for spicy and also some honey to balance it out, and also some minced garlic for extra added flavors. You want to combine all of this together and let it sit in the refrigerator so that it gets perfectly marinated. You want to marinate it for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. This will really tenderize the chicken perfectly. Next, once you have completely marinate the chicken, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet and add the chicken mixture into it, and next cook it over very high heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Remember to keep the heat to very high because that's what makes Asian cooking different than any other cooking. And once you have done that, remove the chicken and add some onion and garlic into the same skillet and saute until they turn golden brown in color for 2 minutes. Next, add some cooked rice into it. You can also use leftover rice. Next, add some soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, some sriracha, and of course some honey. Toss it all together so that the rice gets perfectly flavored with all the sauces, and add the cooked chicken into it. Simply give it all a quick stir and this will be ready in no time. This is what's so easy to make. Asian cooking requires barely any minimal effort and is one of the best fake-away recipes ever. Also garnish with some chives and sesame seeds, and this one will be ready in no time. Do give this a try, and if you have any questions, post them below in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer them for you. You can find all the macros and all the recipe descriptions in the comment section and in the description box below. Hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching this video. Also hit the like button so that you never miss an update whenever I post a new dinner recipe.